Okay, now we introduce the multifunction hydrofacial machine SPAR 909H. This is the high frequency working handle. 4 pieces PDT light, ultrasonic, tripolar RF, microdermabrasion handle, and its tips. Hydrodermabrasion handle and its tips. Spray mist gun, skin scrubber, glass, and the power line. Okay, now we install this machine. First, we will install the PDT light. Before installation, we need to check the color on the working handle. For example, this is red. This is red color, and we need to install this working handle to this hole. For example, you will see the marks, the color marks on the machine. Okay, now we insert the working handle, match the hole, and the press is okay. And when you want to remove this working handle, press this silver button first. Press and then pull out. Okay. Okay, now we insert. And the second one is the same operation. This is violet color. Then we insert to the violet. Same, match the hole, and then press. Okay, then the rest two color is the same operation. Okay, the next working handle is the spray mist gun. You can see that this hole is for this working handle. And before installation, we have to press this button first. Press first, and then make sure this tip is up. Then we insert. You will hear the sound. That means finish. And when you want to remove this working handle, the same. Press the silver button first, and then pull out. Okay, now we insert. And the next working handle is the hydrodermabrasion working handle. Hydrodermabrasion. And we need to insert the tube into the correct hole. For example, this is the big tube, and this is the small tube. This one insert to the small hole, and then this one insert to the big hole. That is finished. And when you want to remove this tube, first you have to press the black button first, and then pull out. And the same, press first and then pull out. And the hydrodermabrasion handle and the microdermabrasion handle are using the same hole. So when you want to change to the microdermabrasion handle, you have to remove the hydrodermabrasion handle first. And then the same operation, you will see that the small tube and the big tube. Insert again. And then this one is the same. The small tube insert to the small hole. And the last step, tighten is okay. Okay, and the next working handle is the skin scrubber. Okay, match the marks on the machine scrubber. Just insert is okay. And the next one is the ultrasonic working handle. Match the hole, and then press. And when you want to remove this working handle, the same. Press the silver button first, and then pull out. Okay, now we insert. Okay, the next working handle is the high frequency working handle. The same operation with the ultrasonic. Just match the hole. It's okay. And the last one is the tripolar RF working handle. The same operation. Match and then press. That is finished. And this one is the connection line for the screen and the machine. Okay, now we insert to the screen. Just match the hole. And then press. The last step is tie it. This part is finished. And then this part, just match the hole and then press. It's okay. And then when you want to remove this part, press this silver button and then pull out. Now we insert again. Okay, now we enter into the operation screen. You will see that there are different functions on this part. The first one is the hydrodermabrasion and the microdermabrasion working handle function. Before doing the treatment, you have to choose the bottle here and then setting the treatment time here. Then we press start. And the second function is the oxygen spray mist gun. Adjust the treatment time. Press start. And the third one is the tripolar RF. You can adjust the treatment time here and then the strength here. And the next is the high frequency. The same, adjust the treatment time and then start. The next is the ultrasonic. You can see that the treatment time setting, strength setting, and there are 5 modes for option. You can adjust according to your client's requirement. Press start. And the next is the skin scrubber working handle. When we setting the treatment time here, press start. And we need to press the on button on this part. You will see that we can do the treatment. When you want to charge power to the skin scrubber, press start button. Then this situation is charging the power. You will see that the light. Okay, and the last function is the PDT light. You can see that there are 4 pieces. You can choose the color and then setting the treatment time and then setting the strength here, the power, adjust. And there are 3 modes for option. When you adjust already all the parameter, press start. Okay, now we start the treatment. This one is the hydrodermabrasion handle. And before doing the hydrodermabrasion treatment, we have to install well this part first. This is the red ring on the working head. And then install well the tips. Like this. And then choose the water bottle on the screen. For example, now I choose the third one. And setting the treatment time here. Setting the treatment time here and then press start. You will see the water flow and the suction. And also we can adjust the power, the vacuum level here, the maximum and the minimum. You can try to adjust by yourself. And the water flow level, the same, we can adjust. Okay, now we start the trimmer. Okay, and the next trimmer is the microdermabrasion handle. And before doing this trimmer, we have to remove the hydrodermabrasion handle behind of the machine and then change to this working handle because they use the same hole behind of the machine. Okay, before doing the trimmer, we have to install well this white ring on the working handle. Make sure this white ring is here. And the next step, use the cotton on this position. And the last step is tie it. Okay, finish. And the same as the hydrodermabrasion handle, we have to choose the bottle in front on the screen and adjust the treatment time. Press stop. You see the water and the suction. And also, we can adjust the vacuum here and the water flow here. Okay, now we start the treatment. Okay, the next working handle is the spray mist gun. Before doing the treatment, we have to inject some water inside. Okay, and then select the function on screen, setting the treatment time here, press start. You will see that. Okay, now we start trimming. Okay, and you can adjust the water level on this part. You can adjust. Next treatment is the skin scrubber. You can select the function on screen and then setting the treatment time, press start. You will see that the skin scrubber is charging the power. Then we need to press the on button and then we can start the treatment. Sure. And before doing the skin scrubber treatment, we have to put some water on the treatment part. Now you will see that there has some water. And the next treatment is the ultrasonic. Before doing this treatment, we have to put some gel on the treatment part. And then setting the parameter, the power, we start from the lowest level and the treatment time, and adjust according to your requirement, and then press start button. Okay, and the next treatment is the PDT light. Before doing this treatment, we have to wear the glasses on your client's eye. And then we can select the color on the screen. And then setting the power and the treatment time here. And adjust them. And there are 3 modes for option, but now we choose the solid mode. Press start. Okay, now we start the treatment. Okay, the last working handle is the high frequency working handle. And you can see that there are 4 working heads for option. You can choose the heads according to your treatment area. For example, now we will do the face treatment. We can choose this one, this working handle, this working head. For this working head, we just need to insert like this. It's okay. When you want to remove to another working head, pull out. It's okay. Okay, now we insert. And then here is a white button for start the working handle. And you can adjust the power through this white button. Okay? When you turn, it is closed. Okay, now we start. Now we do the hair treatment.